Hi friends, welcome back to Mule 4 series of learning videos. I am Siva.thankamanee, a technical architect in MuleSoft. Today I'm going to explain how to transform JSON to JSON and JSON to XML using MuleSoft 4 DataWeave. Let's get started. I have already prepared the Mule 4 project with a basic flow that has a HTTP listener running on 8081 port, and it has a logger that logs the incoming payload. Let's see what the input looks like. So I'm invoking the HTTP listener here by using SOAP UI tool. My input is going to be a simple JSON with the employees object. Basically, it's an array which contains 3 records with ID, first name, and last name. Let's run this. So here comes the JSON output, which is the same replica of the input JSON. So I have already started the application. You can see the log. Now let's convert the JSON into different format using transformation. So let's use a transform message. Let's drag and drop. And before doing the transformation, let's define the metadata. I have already defined the metadata. So this metadata feature comes handy when you are doing the transformation. It comes up with an additional help displaying the tooltip indicating which object you need to choose so that you can avoid mistakes. So for creating data type, you have to click add and then type in the data type that you want to create. And after that, you need to choose either by schema or by example. I have done that by example. Click here and choose the file name which serves as an example. So it will be able to create a data type. So here is the employee data type I created with the employees object that contains fields ID, first name, and last name. So let's choose this employee, select it. So it comes with a field name displayed on the left side. Now we can convert it into a simple JSON. So I'm going to have a resultant field employees, and we need to take this field employees as a payload that has an array of records. So let's refer this over here, payload.employees. So here comes the tooltip. You can choose that. And we need to iterate this as a map that serves the key value pair. And the key value pair can be iterated on the entry set using data. I can give the name of this. Now I have given the name data, comma index. So index serves as the index integer, which you can use inside as required. So this is how you need to iterate. And I'm going to name the fields inside the employees object as ID, which you can use from data dot. You see the tooltip displaying the field names because we defined the metadata. Choose ID, and I'm going to introduce another field name called full name, which is data dot first name concatenation. For concatenation, you need to use plus plus space plus plus data dot last name. Let's save this and let's wait for the server to restart. Yes, it's restarted. Let's try this now. So here is output. So output is the set of employees with the name employees, since we have opted for the same name. And in the transformation, we have two fields, ID and full name, which appears here. So this is a simple example of converting JSON to JSON. And for understanding purpose, let's introduce additional feature here. So there are some string functions which you can use, which is available in the core package. And we can use capitalize. So we have done the capitalization of this string. And it's restarted. Now I'm going to give yes in small letter or in small letter. Let's see what happens here. So it automatically capitalizes the data. What happens if the last name contains lowercase? So it converted into the sentence case, so you don't need to worry about that. So now let's convert this JSON into XML. Let's choose this transformation, and instead of JSON, let's use XML. So for XML, you need to visualize how the XML is going to look like. Let's do that here. So I'm going to have an employee here, and which says ID and full name, and it has to be closed. And this is going to be repeated 3 times because it contains 3 records. But this XML is not complete because you need a root node, employees, and then a root node must be closed as employees. So in order to do that, you need to have one root level node appearing here, employees, and you can call this second one as employee. So let's save this and run the request. So you choose XML here. Here you go. So employees contains employee records with ID and full name. So this is a simple technique to convert JSON into JSON and JSON into XML. So let's see more complex examples in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll come back with another interesting topic soon. Please don't forget to provide your suggestions in the comment section below, and see you soon. Bye.